Hey friends, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw and shade using only a ballpoint pen. I'm going to be teaching you guys some mark making techniques in order to achieve accurate and intricate textures.
Some of the ink techniques are hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, and scumbling. These are just ways to put marks on your paper in order to achieve value in different textures. I decided to draw my dog, so I drew out the picture I was planning on drawing with a pencil first to make sure my proportions were correct. I then began to go in with my ballpoint pen. A lot of people are afraid of using pen because it does seem so permanent, but the medium itself is actually a lot more forgiving than a lot of people think. What we're doing is building up value. The closer together your crosshatches or hatches or dots are, the darker the value, and the farther away from each other they are, the lighter the value. Pen also gives you a lot more precision when you are drawing, so those tiny little spots that may be hard to get with, say, charcoal or paint are very easy to get to with a ballpoint pen. Think of shading with pen just like you would with a pencil or charcoal. Instead of using the side of our pencil or smudging, we're just making the value with very tiny marks. Another great thing about pen is you can really do it anywhere. I always keep a sketchbook and just a plain old ballpoint pen in my purse at all times, and I'm always drawing on the go. This is a close-up of the final product so you can see the textures better. You can see the hatching and cross-hatching I used. Cross-hatching is great when you're trying to make darker values, as well as a little bit of stippling and scumbling. Be sure to share your drawings on our Facebook page, and I look forward to seeing you all on Saturday during our Zoom art talk.